Ang pangalawa pong natutunan ko at paulit-ulit na sinabi sa akin ni Pangulong Duterte. Sabi niya, you make your own history in this world. So therefore, sa lahat ng desisyon mo, ay hindi ka pwede pagturo ng ibang tao sa mga maling nagawa mo sa buhay mo. Kaya ma'am, balik tayo sa iyo. Nagpapatawad ako ma'am. Hindi ko kasi alam na si BBM. Hindi ko sinasabi ma'am ha, na kasalanan mo at binoto mo si BBM. Hindi ko alam ma'am, talaga totoo. Hindi ko rin alam talaga. Na, ang akala ko kasi, ang buong akala ko ma'am, dahil, syempre di ba, we had that dark past in our country. And the principal figure of that was Marcos Sr. So I was thinking that he would want a legacy that is better than what we had before. So, unfortunately, I did not vet properly my running mate, ma'am. But you know, I'm sure you have doubts about the Marcos already. But you know, ma'am, Senator Amy Marcos is a different individual altogether. And she was the one who was my friend, who is my friend since 2012. BBM I met in 2015. Sorry, 20, before the 2020. Yes, ma'am, 2020. BBM I met in 2020 when they visited Davao City. So, yes. And as PRD said, you make your own history in this world, and I apologize for that decision, ma'am, to run with Bongbong Marcos. Asa man taga-Siquijor din eh? No, lagi mo ang kun mo. Na! Nandun na. Ma'am, budat-buduting. So that is the second influence. That is that you make your own history in this world. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, kasalanan ito ng tatay ko, kasalanan ito ng nanay ko, kasalanan ito ng asawa ko, ng boyfriend ko, kasalanan ito ng boss ko. Kasalanan, hindi. Paulit-ulit niya sinasabi sa akin, you make your own history. So you have to own up to all the mistakes, the decisions, good or bad, your life.
That's true.